tendency. There are four: mean, median, mode, and range. The mean is the average. And to find an average, you would add all of your data and then divide by that number of items. The median is your middle number, the middle data item. Now, if there's an even number, you'll add up your two middle numbers there and then divide by 2. It'd be the mean of those two numbers. The mode is your most common. It could be more than one. If there is no mode, you write none. Do not put 0 because 0 is a data entry. And the range would be the highest minus lowest. So here we're given 8 different pieces of data: 6, 8, 2, 7, 3, 8, 5, 9. The first thing you always want to do is put it in form least to greatest. So we have a 2, 3, 5, a 6, a 7, 2 8s, and a 9. So if I'm looking for the mean or the average, I'm going to add up all of these numbers. So 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 8 plus 9. That gives me 48. And then there's 8 data items here. So I'll do 48, the total, over the 8, the number of items I have. And my average, my mean, is 6. And you could get decimals here. We just do not get decimals for this case. The next one is the median. Now, the median is my middle number. So I'm going to count in here. So I kind of could go from 2, 9, 3, 8, 5, 8. And I have 2 middle numbers, the 6 and the 7. Now, we could easily see that the median is going to be the 6.5. But if not, we do 6 plus 7, and then we would divide by 2, giving us 6.5. The mode is the most common. So I see that I have 2 8s here. No other data has more than 2 or has also 2. So my mode is 8. And my range is going to be the highest number 9 minus the lowest number 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. So those are our measures of central tendency. Let's take a look at a different type of example. Here we're given a circle graph. And this circle graph, we see colors here. Black 23%, pink 16%, white 15%, green 11%, blue 27%, and red 8%. And these are shirts sold at a boutique. So we have 2 questions here. If 900 shirts were sold, how many were green? So I go to green, and I look. 11% of shirts were green. Now remember, 11% part of 100, I'm going to have to change that to a decimal, so 0.11. We're going to move that decimal twice, so 0.11. So I'll do 900 times 0.11, and we're going to get 99 shirts sold that were green. So 99 would be my answer here. Now let's take a look at this question. If 2,300 shirts were sold, how many more blue were sold than pink? So 27% were blue and only 16% were pink. So first I got to figure out, well, how many shirts were blue and how many shirts were pink that were sold? So I'll do 2,300 times the 0.27 to find how many were blue. Because again, we have to change that percent to a decimal. So 621 shirts are blue. And then I'll do the same thing, 2,300 times 0.16. So then I have here the 2,300 times 0.16, and I have 368 that were pink. So I want to know how many more were blue. So I'm just going to take these two numbers and I'm going to subtract. So 621 minus the 368. And I have 253. So the answer here would be 253 more shirts were blue than pink that were sold.